In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add comments to assets in HubSpot so you can collaborate with your team more efficiently and keep all feedback in one place. Whether you're working on blog posts, landing pages, emails, or other marketing assets, using the comment feature properly can save you time and eliminate long email threads. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the Home section. This is your main control center, where you can navigate to all your marketing, sales, and content tools. From here, you'll need to decide which asset you want to comment on. HubSpot allows you to leave comments on various assets, including blog posts, landing pages, website pages, and emails. For this example, we're going to use a blog post. Next, navigate to the Blog tool. You can do this by going to the Marketing tab, then selecting Website, and then clicking on Blog, or by selecting Blog directly if it's visible in your navigation. Once you're in the blog dashboard, you'll see a list of your existing blog posts. Now, click on the name of the blog post where you want to add your comment. This will open the blog editor. Inside the editor, you'll see the content area in the center and various settings on the left and right panels. To add a comment, look toward the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a comment section or a comment icon. Click on that comment section to open the commenting panel. This is where collaboration happens. If you're working with a team, this is especially useful because you can leave specific feedback tied directly to the asset. Once the comment panel is open, click into the text field and write your comment. Be as clear and specific as possible. For example, you might suggest changing a headline, updating a call to action, fixing a link, or revising a paragraph for clarity. You can also mention a teammate using the @ symbol followed by their name to notify them directly. This ensures they receive a notification and can respond quickly. After typing your comment, simply click on the comment button to post it. Your comment will now be saved and visible in the comment thread for that asset. Team members can reply, resolve the comment once changes are made, or continue the discussion directly inside HubSpot. And that's it. That's how you add comments to assets in HubSpot. It's a simple feature, but it makes a huge difference when it comes to team collaboration, approvals, and keeping everything organized in one place, instead of scattered across emails or chat apps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.